Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the 403 forbidden error. So if a website is blocked and showing you that message, just follow along step by step and we'll fix it together. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Settings. Now that you're inside Settings, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. After that, select Third-Party Cookies, then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the website that's giving you the 403 forbidden error. When it appears in the list, click on the trash icon next to it and press Delete. This clears stored data and cache files. This helps remove any corrupted or blocked data that might be causing the problem. Next, we're going to check your extensions. Go to the bottom left side and click on Extensions. Turn off your extensions one by one or disable them all temporarily. Sometimes certain extensions like ad blockers or security tools can block websites and trigger the 403 error. After turning off the extensions, try reopening the website and see if the problem is solved. If you're still seeing the error, here's one more thing you can do. Open the same website in a different browser. If it works there, that means the issue is likely coming from your original browser. And that's it. That's the best way to fix the 403 forbidden error step by step. Give it a try, and your website should be back up and running.